This is the step where we ensure that all sensors work together seamlessly by calibrating their coverage areas. In the standard process, we blend the sensors to create smooth and continuous detection throughout the space. With the new advanced configuration, before starting the calibration steps, you can now manually position the corner points to define the exact area you want to map. This option is especially useful when working with canvases that are not perfectly rectangular or square, allowing for greater flexibility in irregular or complex spaces. And on this screen, you'll see two options: Confirm to proceed directly with the standard calibration, or Edit, which allows you to adjust the corner points manually. When you select a sensor, its corner points become active. Hovering your cursor over a point highlights it in green, letting you move and reposition it to match your desired setup. And also make sure there is enough overlap between sensors to avoid gaps in coverage. Once the setup is complete and the points are well aligned, you can proceed to validate the intersections one by one as part of the calibration steps. This improved workflow gives you more control and precision, ensuring optimal detection and mapping performance for your space. And so, this is how the calibrated result should look like. As you can see, the two sensors have blended seamlessly, and the corners have been successfully integrated. If needed, you can always adjust the corners again to better match your setup. It is recommended to use your arrow keys for precise alignment. And that is it. You have now successfully completed the calibration process and adjusted the corner points to your required needs. Thank you for following along and have fun creating.